Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your Panasonic cordless phone. It's super simple. So you want to have it turned on, and then what you want to do is just press 1, 5, 9 and start, and press and hold it together. So you're going to have like 3 fingers and a forearm, press and hold together, and it's going to beep. Then it's like beep, and then what you want to do is that you want to take the cordless phone from the back, open it, and just take one battery out and put the battery back in. That's it. So super simple. You're gonna have it turned on. You just want to press 1, 5, 9 and with the start, press and hold it for a few seconds together. Then it's going to beep. After the beep is going to be gone, then what you want to do is just like remove from the back one battery, and you got it. Super simple, and that's how it's done. So I just want to make this quick video for you so you don't have to look elsewhere on how you can actually fix the issue, and that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day, and goodbye.